one lofted in. David rises to meet it. Saved by Jara. With the way that ball was, I didn't know that he was going to get enough power on this. 2-on-2. Phelps rushing back. Into the box. Mare, the shot. Deflection by Jara, trickling towards the goal. Another look at that chance from a moment ago on the Islands replay. Mare had visions of being that hero.
Here comes Fort Lauderdale. Sosa. Ascona ends up for Lopez Espin, who fires one on, just deflected wide. Lopez Espin finally getting involved in the attack. Sosa tees it up. Sosa! Jara keeps this one in favor of Tormenta. You can hear the frustration from the Tormenta players.